Hello， 大家好，我是艾玛。屋主之前家里面的梳妆台就是这种普通的不得了的贴皮书桌，它跟我们的法式复古风非常的不搭。但是呢，如果我们重新买一个法式梳妆台呢，估计要几千块钱。那今天我就教大家用200-300块钱就可以自己 DIY 改造一个真真正正的复古梳妆台，大家赶紧收藏起来吧。
Close your sleepy eyes. It's been a good day for chasing dreams like lazy fireflies. Where the wild things may go, where nobody knows. But wherever they are, it must be somewhere out there wishing on the same bright stars. Don't forget to count your blessings with your sheep. And when you drift off to Wonderland, I pray your dreams are sweet while the wild things run free.
如果想把复古 feel 营造得更完美，就可以再升级一下桌腿和桌裙。
Must be somewhere out there wishing, don't you think they must be wishing on the same bright stars? Where the wild things may go, with nobody knows. But wherever they are, they must be somewhere out there wishing. Don't you think they must be wishing? Yeah, I bet they must be wishing on the same bright stars.
大家好，我是 Easy Life 意思生活的艾玛，非常感谢各位订阅我们的频道。新的一年我会加油，带给大家更多更好的家居改造内容和使用的干货。祝大家2020年新年快乐！